Luna Classic rejected a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are 10 members away from 200 members in our Telegram channel. For those of you that are interested in keeping up to date with market updates as well as my charts, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see from yesterday's moveset, we saw a beautiful breakout opportunity on Luna Classic, retesting our highs of the 17 mark once again. This is a perfect example of why we have to look at the previous support now as new resistance. You can see from previous price analysis, we were using this level as support, which of course switched over to resistance now. And then we saw a massive bearish engulfing candle breaking right below our support level once again. And now we are retesting the exponential moving averages as resistance. As you guys know from yesterday's video, this of course wasn't really a surprise. I mentioned the fact that if we can somehow break above this level right here, then we can start focusing more on our 18 resistance point once again. And for those of you that were in the Telegram channel, we saw some beautiful breakout opportunities and made a ton of money from yesterday's moveset. Ideally, what we're looking for right now, of course, from the 4-hour time frame is to see whether or not we end up breaking a zone in terms of the 16 support, because as of right now, with the exponential moving averages being used as resistance, this is going to be acting as a very crucial point for Luna Classic overall. Any clean break below the 16 support level and using it as resistance is going to be your beautiful confirmation to be looking for that shorting position, possibly back down to the 14 zone. As you guys already know, it is the weekend tomorrow and we are expecting a lack of liquidity, so make sure you guys don't try to get caught out on positions. Usually on the weekend we tend to see massive manipulation moves, and of course I would not be surprised if we do end up seeing one last wick opportunity on Luna Classic and then we end up collapsing from there. Even on the hourly time frame, you can see exactly how bearish these moveset are looking. We are seeing a lot stronger bearish engulfing candles come into the market in comparison to the bullish ones. You can see that right over here we had a beautiful breakout formation, slowly laddered upwards, and then within one candlestick drop right back down. Same sort of situation happened over here, and once again the same sort of situation happened here again. This is why we have to keep in mind that with volume we have to see where exactly the market is telling us to go, and right now the market is telling us that Luna Classic is failing to break above these major resistance points. Of course, the bears being in control is not a good sign, and you definitely don't want to see that. But with this consolidation zone, it becomes extremely hard to kind of know exactly where we are heading. The good thing is, for those of you that are holding on to Luna Classic, is the fact that even with this consolidation zone, we could be looking for another massive leg opportunity on Luna Classic overall, because you can see from this consolidation zone we ended up having this massive move set, and once again we are seeing the same sort of consolidation zone, and we could be looking for another massive breakout opportunity. Of course, the question is why I'm answering in terms of the bearish case scenario. I would much rather be happier buying Luna Classic down here within these daily support levels at 86 and 51, because of the fact they have a lot more weight to it. And you guys already know the 14 support level is a very dangerous support because it doesn't really hold much weight. We have traded and actually broken below this level multiple times, and this is exactly why I would prefer not to be entering within this range as of right now, and wait for better levels to show themselves. Even on the daily time frame, you can see the fact that we are starting to see more and more bearish engulfing candles. Even with this massive breakout opportunity that we had, we immediately rejected this level and had multiple bearish engulfings pushing below our exponential moving averages. So this of course is a very concerning thing that we can't really ignore. The market right now is of course consolidating, but we have to be careful that we don't end up being on the next leg to the downside. Of course, this would become invalidated any clean break above the 22 resistance, and we know the fact that this massive inverse bar formation can definitely be playing out as well. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have it.